our trip has finally started. So wait and watch. Day 1. Show you my room tour. So this is the entrance. All the basic amenities are available. And I'll show you the balcony view. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. Superb. Life is a journey completed. Atal Tunnel, the North Portal. So guys, thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel.